So here we have our table set up. To set it up, you basically need just a few things. One thing you need is a bucket of water. It's clean water. Every time you change the grit that you're using, you need to make sure your water is fully clean. You don't want any contamination. Your table, same thing. When you're changing grit, you need to make sure that the table is really nice and clean. So if it's not, make sure you take a sponge or some paper towels and clean it off. The other thing you need is one of these. It's like a kitchen cabinet liner, and it's really just so things don't get moved around. And that's really all there is for the setup process of the table until you're starting to polish. When you do start polishing, that's much later on, the table setup changes slightly. But for the first, I don't know, about 25, 30 hours, this is your setup for this whole process. Your tool and your mirror, while grinding, they will be on top of each other, just like this. And in between, you're going to be using the grit. And so you basically make sure that both of these are wet with the water. You put some grit on, and in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how that looks. And you just start grinding away.